Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome to day 20. We are 20 days into our skincare, self-care, health tips. Today I am starting another new week, which is going to be health and wellness. And I always do my videos a day in advance. And so I figured I would take advantage of Sunday, which is my day, to be makeup free and hairdo free. So I want to start out and say how healthy it is to give yourself a break. You don't have to wear makeup every single day. I know a lot of women that wear it regardless, just because they feel better. And trust me, I feel so much better. This is kind of embarrassing for me to be making this video for you without my hair done and my makeup done, because I'm used to always having it on. But I just want to share with you that if I can do it, you can do it. I have nothing on my face. So I didn't even put I have this CC cream that I use on my face. I didn't even put that on today. So I am like completely bare. Anyways, it's really important for you to think about that. Take a day of the week where you have no makeup and you don't do your hair. And don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. It's good for you. Give your skin a break. Give yourself a break. Let yourself be just you for one day, because you deserve it. So I just want to inspire you and encourage you to have that day to yourself. Make it a Sunday, because I feel like Sundays are kind of like a family day. It's a day to chill out and relax, and there's not always a ton going on. So it's a really, really great excuse. And so I hope that this is going to inspire you to take a makeup and hair-free day for yourself as well. And don't forget to send in questions, because this is going to be a health and wellness week. So make sure that you're sending in questions, and this is going to go until the 31st. So we have about 11 more days left. Can you believe it? August is winding down, which is kind of scary. But yeah, I've been enjoying sending you these emails every day. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another health and wellness skin tip of the day. Thanks for tuning in.